Hey everybody, I'm Nick. Thanks for checking this out. What am I doing today? That's always the question. I've got an ice cream pail here. It's not full of ice cream though, it's full of paint. We're gonna do some painting here today. Up on the roof. That's no fun at all. It needs to be done though. We got an old house with a wood siding. Means it needs to be painted periodically, and guess who gets to do it? I guess I do. I wrapped my paint in cling wrap. That way it keeps it from getting all hard and nasty. Unfortunately, it's been at least 2 weeks since I painted, so let's see if this paint's any good. I hope so. Paint's expensive. There we go. It's still liquid. All right, let's get the ladder. Surprisingly, there's still hornets in the gutter. I sprayed those last time I was up there twice. And there's still some alive, but it's kind of cold out today, so I don't think they're interested in me. Okay, before I actually start painting though, somebody threw some hats on the roof. I better go get those. Imagine I don't like heights. Alright, I made it back down after throwing those hats off. Alright, here we are. We're up on the roof this time with paint and a paintbrush. Now the work begins. You can see in the background there's a hoop building we just built. Yeah, make sure you check out that video. Alright, better get to work because I gotta go back to work in about an hour. Working a night shift tonight. Sun's going down soon. Yeah. I hate climbing on the roof. Hopefully there's no hornets' nests. Oh, they're looking at me. I guess I better skip this wall until I spray them. Okay, let's take a peek. Don't see any unless they're right next to my head. Thought it'd be all skinned over. That lasted 2 weeks with that cling wrap on, and it's not got a skin on it. That's excellent. You're on the roof. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall. You go tumbling, you know what happened. Okay, I'm bidding on a cement mixer at the auction, so I need to pause the video so I can go check on that. Ends in about 4 minutes. Alright, back to painting. We won the cement mixer, $13. Hoping to pick it up tomorrow maybe, so if I do, I'll add it to this video so you can see our $13 cement mixer. Alright, back to painting because I gotta finish this wall and then I'll get ready for work. Let's move you down a little further. Don't fall. One wall down, a whole bunch to go. Now I gotta get down. That's the worst part sometimes. Especially climbing onto the ladder. Stepping off the roof onto the ladder. That's the worst. There. There's a ladder down there. I'm going to climb down the valley, 1 foot on either side. That's easier. Alright. See you when I'm down. Hopefully not too fast. There it is. There we go. We got it attached. Let's hope for a safe drive home. A little sketchy. There it is. We made it home safely. Good. Much bigger than our old one. $13 cement mixer. Okay, we're going to try plugging in our new cement mixer. The cord's a little sketchy. It's a giant electrical motor, 1 horsepower. We might blow the breaker. Might need to adjust the belt tension because right now the only tension is where we put the motor. So once we find the right spot, we'll have to screw it down probably. Okay. Here it goes. $13 cement mixer on the trailer. That's a good buy. Get this thing cleaned up. Gonna look good. Alright guys, here we are, day number 2 of working on the cement mixer. Trying to get it ready to paint in here. This thing's looking pretty old. So far I have not figured out what year it was, what manufacturer it was. Hoping to do that. It looks really, really old here. These are the only markings, 4E8 and 4E7. Yeah. Heard like some Jaggers, stuff like that, but no markings on here at all. So I don't know if that's it or some different brand. Right there, that's the only tag that I see. So I'm hoping to carefully get that paint off and hope there's a name on this. It's almost gone. These are the closest things I can find doing searches online. Looking pretty similar. They're from 1920s. Pretty cool. Oh, what's happening here? Looks like I got some skin formed on my paint. It's a fall day and the birds are starting to migrate here. Winter's coming. Better get this done. Alright guys, here we are. We're going to start painting. Got me some red paint. I bought it like 2 years ago. I didn't use it. So I had like a 1/4 inch of film on top. But inside it seems nice and good. So let's get to painting. It rained last night. Might rain today. I hope not. It's not supposed to, but it might. Alright. Hopefully my bucket doesn't fall. We have some oil-based paint. This stuff is nasty. Get on your skin, it stays. Does not come off. Here we go. Making a mess. The mess begins. Obviously I should have done more prep work, but I don't have time. Maybe some year, if we think it's worth it, if we find that this thing's like really special, valuable. But right now I just want to get paint on it to stop it from rusting more. Make it look a little better. Go. Chickens want to be painted. Get to the get. We call them Dilthy, that's the name. a good start. Not going to be perfect. Chances are I'll probably give up before it's done too. It's looking good though. There it is. Super old cement mixer, concrete mixer. It's not a perfect restoration, but it's looking really good. There's our old one, got it prepped to sell. Black and red. I might try scraping these a little more than clear coating them. I might just paint them, we'll see. Still got to paint the inside of the engine housing. Otherwise, yeah. It's looking good. So this one.